Now, how can you turn off the screen time in the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tips and tutorials like this one. So, as you know, the Apple Watch is the extension of the iPhone, and when it comes to screen time restrictions and settings like that, it will be reflected on the watch what you set up on the iPhone. So, when you go to the watch app on the phone and check out all of the different sections and menus, you will simply not be able to find the screen time anywhere in here. So it's not like, something that you can change specifically for the watch. However, you will have the ability to go to the iPhone's settings and set up the screen time there. So perhaps you might have some restrictions in place or something locked or whatever. And as long as you change it in here, your Apple Watch should reflect the changes as well. For instance, there is the limit for installing apps or deleting stuff, right? And, if you change it in here or disable the restrictions, then the Apple Watch should not have any other restrictions in place, because this is the main place where you can actually change and customize these types of settings. So let me know in the comments below if you actually made it here or if you managed to turn it off for the Apple Watch. But as I said, it's connected with the phone, so that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.